Hey guys, Wayne in the water here. Hey, I hope y'all guys are having a great evening. I'm having a pretty good day myself. Hey, I made this video to kind of hopefully give you guys some pointers on some of the repairs you may have to make to your boat. If you're like me, you know I love fishing. I went out and bought myself an older model bass boat. You know, I don't want to go spend a bunch of money on the boat and tear it up because I didn't know what I was doing. So bought me a nice little starter boat, you know, didn't pay much for it, but it floats just like a $50,000 boat. It runs great, gets me from point A to point B, so I'm happy with it. But with older boats, things tend to start failing on you and you learn a lot of lessons with them. And one thing I did learn is that can happen and almost always happens at the most inopportune time. What I want to talk to you guys about today is the trolling motor and a product that I found that had a lot of good reviews that would help with the issue I had. So I was out on the water having a great day, a phenomenal day fishing. I was getting ready to move to the next spot and I went out to pull my trolling motor up and psh, the string broke. I was like, wow, man, what am I gonna do? So I had to manually move the pins, the locking pins, just so I could lift the trolling motor up, and that was a headache. Man, it was tough, but I got it up, and needless to say, I had to end my day of fishing just because the string on the trolling motor broke. So packed it up, packed it in, got the boat loaded up, came home, and just so happened to have an extra lawnmower pull cord. And there it is right there. So I loaded it up on the trolling motor, tied it in and everything just to see if it would work, and it would, but it was kind of frail, so I knew that eventually it would wear out. Me, when things fail, I don't like to have them fail on me again. So I figured before that happens again, I need to find a viable substitute. So I got to looking online and I found that this product called a GForce handle that's made by Marine. There's a photo of the packaging there. They got them at Bass Pro Shops out Academy. I think they're like 30 something bucks, you know, real cheap, really good. The instructions on it were pretty straightforward. And I looked and said it works on Minn Kota. It works on MotorGuide trolling motor. So I figured, hey, perfect product. And I got it home and, you know, opened the package up and nice product, really nice product, very durable. But the problem I had was, and I'll show you, I like I said, I bought an older boat and I don't know what model or what year this trolling motor is, but it's a MotorGuide. As you can see, 71-pound thrust. Got this big bracket that it's on, a nice durable bracket. No complaints out of it. It has not let me down at all. It works great. You can see right there the red cable that comes with the GForce handle. But the reason I made this video was because even though the directions are straightforward, I ran into some issues. Matter of fact, man, I tried to put this thing on. It took me 2 days. I couldn't get it on. I was scratching my head. I was gonna take it back. And I said, nah, let me stew on it. I'll figure something out. So the problem I had, and we're gonna go back to the trolling motor. As you can see right here, this is where it goes in at. That's where your latch is at to pull your pins here up so you can raise and lower your trolling motor. But you know, you look here and you got a 90 here where it comes in at. But then also, if you look right there, you've got another 90 where it has to come out at. This right here is a pivot stop that keeps your head from going all the way in. It stops it when you lower your trolling motor out. So it had to come in through here, go over this, and come straight down. And the wire is not flexible enough to do that on its own. I mean, it's really durable, but you know, I tried for 2 days to get it through there and could not. And that's why I'm making this video, just in case you guys have the same thing going on. So came out here today and I was able to get it installed in less than 20 minutes. What I did, I went ahead and knocked this pivot stop out. All you need is a little hammer. I had this one, I think this is what, 4-ounce hammer, I'm not sure, but anyway, I used this hammer to gently tap on this, tapped it out. I had to have a punch to get it all the way through. And this pin has some teeth on this side, so when you get ready to put it back in, make sure you put it back in with the teeth over there. And it's also in the middle of it, it has a groove in there for this cable to ride on. So what I did, I knocked it out, went ahead and fed it through there, and I could not get it to come through this 90 here where that eyelet is for the life of me. I could not get it to come. No matter how much I tried to wiggle, I tried to twist, tried to turn, but you can see this end here. You can see where I put a little extra bend in it just trying to get it, but it's not going to make a 90 degree on its own. You've got to get this through there and have it come out here, and it just will not come out through that eyelet. Well, this is what I found worked. I went to my toolbox and I had a box of fuel lines, and I said, I wonder if one of those would work. So what I did, it has different sizes, 1/16, 3/32, and the 3/16. I got the 3/16 fuel line, got it out, and fed it through this eyelet here, brought it back out through this eyelet here, I'm sorry. I'm a novice YouTuber. This eyelet here, brought it back down and fed it through. And what I did once I fed it through, I took the cable and I actually fed the cable into this tube, all right? And when I fed it into the tube, I was able to pull this back through and to pull a cable through. And like I said, I was done with that in less than 20 minutes. So if you have one of these older model trolling motors, and you have this type of bracket and you're having problems trying to get the GForce handle through there, take this pivot stop out, tap it out with your hammer, get you a 3/16 fuel line. This is for lawnmower, weed eaters, etc. Get you a 3/16 fuel line, feed it through the hole, and then when you get it through the hole, insert your cable into this fuel line as far as it'll go until you can't insert it anymore, and then just pull your cable out and it will fish it through without any problem. It worked great. I'm finna put the finishing touches on it now. But again, this is Wayne in the water. If it's happened to me, it's probably gonna happen to some of you guys. That's just my luck. If it can happen, seems like it happens. But you know, things like this help us have a greater day, and it helps us get out there and have fun on the water and to be able to enjoy the things that we love. So hope this helps you. Drop a comment down below. Again, this is my very first YouTube video, just trying to help other fishermen out there have a great day on the water. If you have some comments, I'll read them. I'll answer questions. Okie doke. Hope this helps. Have a good one. God bless.